Welcome to the showroom of modern design and bold presence. Standing tall in front of us is the GMC Savana, painted in an attractive green color that instantly captures attention. This isn't just a van, it's a commanding symbol of strength, sophistication, and utility fused into one. As the light reflects off its sculpted body, the green hue shimmers with depth, showcasing every curve and edge with pride. From the front, the Savana delivers a powerful stance. The large grille is bold, yet refined, framed perfectly by sharp headlights glowing in red. These lights not only add character, but give it an aggressive, modern feel. The chrome accents and the wide, muscular front bumper create a feeling of purpose and confidence. You can almost hear it breathe with power, even at a standstill. Now slowly moving along the left side, the Savana shows off its elongated profile. The clean lines stretch across its body, giving a sense of motion even when parked. The windows are large and tinted, offering both privacy and elegance. The red lighting details along the side mirrors and door handles create a beautiful contrast against the green body, catching the light like polished metal under spotlights. It's a side that reflects versatility, built for both business and bold style. Transitioning to the right side, we see symmetry and strength. Every panel is crafted for durability, but with refined elegance. The large sliding door seamlessly blends into the body, and the paint finish, flawless and rich, makes it stand out like a luxury piece in motion. Here too, the red lighting accents run through subtle grooves, giving it a sporty yet premium touch. It's ready for action, ready for presence. Now take a moment to admire the rear view. The taillights shine a deep red, clear and confident, wrapping across the back like a signature line. The rear doors are wide and strong, with chrome detailing around the edges that hint at both function and design mastery. The green paint continues to impress, bold, but not overwhelming, like a tailored suit with a flash of power underneath. The rear bumper is firm, with integrated reflectors that shine under the showroom lights. It's a backside designed for admiration, not just utility. All of this unfolds inside a luxury showroom with spotless floors, bright ambient lighting, and a polished, premium atmosphere. The reflections bounce gently off the vehicle's green body, highlighting every element: the sculpted lines, the glossy shine, the sharp red lights. It doesn't just sit in this space, it owns it. The GMC Savana in this form feels more than transportation. It feels like a statement. A green machine with red heartbeat lights and a powerful presence that's impossible to ignore. This is the GMC Savana, strong, smart, stylish. When you walk around it, every angle shows confidence. When you stand before it, you feel its authority. This is what happens when utility meets high-end design. And this is how you redefine what a van can. Step inside the GMC Savana, and you're greeted by an environment that blends function with comfort. The doors close with a reassuring thud, sealing you into a cabin designed with precision. Every control is within easy reach. The steering wheel feels solid in your hands. The dashboard layout is clean and intuitive, and the seats finished. In soft touch, material offers support for long drives, business errands, or even everyday family trips. The green exterior may draw you in, but it's the intelligent layout inside that makes you want to stay. Look around and you'll notice how well sound is managed. Even in the busy world outside, the cabin remains calm and quiet. The premium insulation and smart design allow you to focus on your journey, whether you're on the highway or navigating tight city streets. It's not just about getting from point to beats about doing it with calm confidence. Under the hood, you can expect solid, consistent performance. While the Savana is known for its utility, GMC doesn't compromise on power. It's built to handle weight, distance, and time. Whether you're hauling equipment, transporting passengers, or just using it as your go-to daily ride, it delivers every time. There's a strong feeling of reliability here. It's like a companion that never lets you down. And it's not just about the machine, it's about what it represents. The GMC Savana, especially in this attractive green and red light combination, speaks to people who value both substance and style. It's for the business owner who wants to show professionalism,